Founded in 1970, Burt Process Equipment is a worldwide leader in the design, manufacturing, and distribution of engineered water treatment systems and services. Burt Process Equipment provides proven solutions for many industries, including the life science, semiconductor, chemical processing, institutional, healthcare, and academic markets. Our highly qualified engineers will review your requirements and offer a treatment technology specifically tailored to meet your needs. Our staff includes mechanical, chemical, and electrical engineers, as well as project managers, programmers, and CAD designers to offer complete engineering and development services. From start to finish, Burt Process Equipment can provide feasibility studies, system design, fabrication, installation, startup, training, and service. Burt Process Equipment incorporates the latest technology in the fabrication of thermoplastic, steel, and stainless steel assemblies. From standard pre-engineered systems to custom skids and fabrications, we take pride in supplying the highest quality and value in our manufactured products. Whether you need a wastewater treatment, rainwater reclamation, RODI high purity water, or custom tank and control system, Burt Process Equipment is here to provide you the engineering support and manufacturing capabilities to supply you with a turnkey solution. For more information, please visit our website, burtprocess.com.